Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best garage door lubricants that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the Blaster Silicone Garage Door Lubricant. This product is designed for quick and easy application, making it a great choice for those who want a straightforward solution for maintaining their garage doors. It's silicone-based, which means it's resistant to water and won't break down easily over time. However, the simplicity of this product is also its limitation. While it does a decent job at reducing friction and preventing squeaks, it lacks some of the advanced features found in other lubricants on this list. For example, it doesn't include rust prevention or moisture displacement properties, which might be a deal breaker if you live in a humid or coastal area. Its 9.3-ounce bottle is lightweight, but it might not last long if you regularly maintain multiple mechanisms. In terms of value, this lubricant is best suited for users who need a basic, no-frills option for occasional use. It's not the most robust product, but it gets the job done for the price point. Just keep in mind that it may not be the best long-term solution for areas with extreme weather conditions. Coming in at number 4, we have the Blaster Chemical Company 9.3-ounce 3-pack. This product offers great values for money, especially if you're looking to stock up on garage door lubricant. It's formulated with Teflon fluoropolymer, which adds an extra layer of friction-reducing power, making it highly effective for garage doors, tracks, and hinges. The standout feature of this product is its tack-free formula. Unlike some lubricants that attract dust and dirt, this one leaves a clean, non-sticky surface, ensuring smoother operation and less maintenance over time. However, the viscosity is on the lower side, which means it might not perform as well on heavily worn or high-friction components. It's also worth noting that this product is more suitable for regular maintenance rather than addressing existing rust or severe wear. Overall, this is a versatile and budget-friendly option for those who need a reliable lubricant for their garage doors. The 3-pack ensures you'll have plenty of product for future use, making it a practical choice for homeowners or small businesses with multiple doors to maintain. At number 3, we have the Blaster 616 GDL Premium Silicone Garage Door Lubricant. This product is a step up in performance, offering a premium silicone formula that excels at reducing friction and wear. It's perfect for homeowners dealing with noisy or squeaky doors, as it effectively eliminates these issues with just a single application. One of the key benefits of this lubricant is its tack-free finish, which ensures that it won't attract dust or debris. This makes it a highly efficient choice for maintaining smooth operation over time. It's also versatile enough to be used on various parts of the garage door system, including tracks, hinges, rollers, and springs. However, while it's a strong performer in terms of reducing noise and friction, it doesn't offer the same level of rust prevention as some of the higher-ranked options on this list. This product is ideal for users who prioritize smooth, quiet operation and want a hassle-free application process. While it may not provide the most comprehensive protection, its performance in reducing wear and tear makes it a solid choice for most residential garage doors. In the runner-up spot at number 2, we have the 3-in-1 Professional Garage Door Lubricant with Smart Straw Spray. This product is a fan favorite for good reason. It combines convenience with high performance. The Smart Straw design allows for precise application, making it easy to reach those tricky areas like hinges, tracks, and springs. What sets this product apart is its quick-drying formula. It minimizes dust buildup and leaves no messy residue, which is a huge plus for anyone looking to maintain a clean and efficient garage door system. It also provides excellent rust and corrosion protection, ensuring the longevity of your garage door components. With the 3-pack option, you're getting a generous supply that's perfect for both residential and commercial use. The 3-in-1 lubricant is a great all-around option for anyone looking to keep their garage door running smoothly. Its combination of precision, cleanliness, and protective features makes it a top contender, though it falls just short of claiming the top spot due to its slightly higher price point. Finally, taking the #1 spot, we have the 400 HD Heavy-Duty Garage Door Lubricant Spray by National Door Industries. This product is the gold standard when it comes to garage door maintenance. Its 3-way nozzle system ensures maximum precision, making it easy to apply the lubricant to hard-to-reach areas. Whether you're dealing with tracks, hinges, or springs, this product ensures complete coverage. What makes the 400 HD stand out is its advanced formula designed for long-term performance. It not only reduces friction and eliminates squeaks, but also protects against rust and corrosion, even in harsh weather conditions. The moisture-displacing formula is especially useful for preventing water buildup, which can cause significant damage over time. The lubricant's ability to perform in cold temperatures is another major plus, ensuring year-round reliability. While it's slightly heavier than some competitors, the robust protection and versatility it offers make it worth the investment. Whether you're a homeowner or a professional, the 400 HD is the ultimate choice for keeping your garage door operating smoothly and efficiently. It's a premium product that delivers premium results. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.